morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the dollar-yen pair and recent events stirring the markets. Greg?
The dollar-yen pair has added 0.5% in the last 3 sessions. The ultimate oscillator moved sharply into negative territory. Bitcoin has added 6% in the last 3 sessions. The ADX has plunged into the negative zone. The price of gold has fallen 5.5% in the last 3 sessions. The ultimate oscillator transitioned sharply into the positive area. The price of crude oil has gained 4.5% in the last 3 sessions. The stochastic RSI has bounced upwards into overbought territory.
Thank you for sharing with us. Now let's hear from our news department.
A decision by OPEC and allied countries to cut crude production through March delivered a late Christmas present for U.S. shale firms that have slashed costs recently. The pro-independent Scottish National Party, SNP, demanded that Prime Minister Boris Johnson pay billions of pounds in compensation to Scotland for the mounting costs and disruption of Brexit. The dollar pulled back from a 1-week high against a basket of major currencies after a dismal December U.S. payrolls report highlighted the need for further stimulus measures.
Thank you. Now let's hear today's most important economic events.
The U.S. 3-month bill auction will be released at 16:30 GMT. UK's NIESR GDP estimate at 800 GMT. Japan's trade balance at 2350 GMT. Japan's current account will be released at 2350 GMT. China's producer price index at 130 GMT. China's consumer price index at 130 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.